Because your mom was like, how quickly? I'm like, how quickly you need it, you know? So.
There's like multiple sessions.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Is it like a diving competition or what?
Just swimming, just racing.
Racing? Yeah. That's cool. Yeah, if you want to check out my channel, it's Slang and Key. Yeah. Oh, tell your mom I'm here if she wants to tell me.
Okay.
All right. Did I go the wrong way? Hold on. One more time. Cool. Yeah. Are the keys in the trunk?
Yeah.
You may have to go this way. Seats go down? It's a newer one, huh? How do you put the seats on? Any idea?